Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a review on Google Maps. Leaving a review on Google Maps helps others find reliable information about places such as restaurants, businesses, parks, and tourist spots. Your review can include feedback, star rating, and photos, which contribute to the visibility and credibility of the location. And here's how to leave a review on Google Maps. The first step is to open Google Maps. And to do that, on your desktop, go to maps.google.com and open the website. If you're using your mobile device, just go to your Google Maps application. The second step is to search for the location. Type the name or address of the place you want to review in the search bar. For example, I'm gonna search for a restaurant. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here. Now after I click on it, select the correct place from the search results, and the fourth step is to scroll to the reviews section. Now under the place's information, scroll down until you see reviews section. Let's go here, and here is the ask community, etc. Let's go here. As you can see, there are a lot of reviews here. You can go and scroll on the reviews, and you can also, if you want to leave a review, click on here and type in the question you want. After that, click write a review button, and the sixth step is to rate the place. Select a star rating from 1 to 5 stars. The higher the stars, the better the review. And post your review. Once finished, click post to submit your review. Writing a review on Google Maps not only helps business grow, but also helps fellow users make informed decisions, whether it's praising great service or sharing useful tips. Your review can make a big difference in the community. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.